Hey kids, I'm going to do a short little video here on the importance of cropping when you're in editing mode. And we'll mostly just look at examples. Here's one. This is the original photo on the left, and when it's cropped really tight on the right. And on none of these examples do you need to agree that it's a better photo, although many times it is, but it's certainly different. Here's another example. Effectively, you're zooming in, but you didn't do it when you were actually taking the photo, but it's quite different. Let's look at some more. Another great example. This might be a good photograph, but this is maybe even better. It's certainly different, completely different composition. And the cool thing about it is that in Camera Raw editor or in just regular Photoshop, editing or cropping is non-destructive. If you don't like the crop, you can always get it back to the original. And here's the original photo of this girl, and here's what it looks like when it's cropped in tighter and tighter and tighter. Very different looking photos. Here's another example. Very different photo. This one and this one. I would actually crop this quite differently. I wouldn't cut her legs in half. That's a no-no. Quite a few other examples of the difference it makes when you crop. What you need to remember, the principle here is that whenever you have a photo that you think you like, it's really important to try cropping and see what it looks like cropped. You may not like it, but it's worth it. Many times it's just better than what you were able to do when you shot the photo originally. Another great example of the difference a crop makes. It's a completely different photograph, completely different composition. Okay? You dog lovers, here's a good example. Okay, so obviously you can find these examples. I'm just looking in Google Images, but you can find great examples all over the place. Again, you need to try to crop every photo you take just to see if it would look better cropped.